Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim Ensure rewards. First, it's important to understand the program structure and how to earn points. You'll need to collect the unique codes printed on the inside of eligible Ensure product packaging. Once you have these codes, you can easily register your account on the official Ensure Rewards website. This simple first step sets you up for earning valuable rewards. After registering, the next step is to start earning points. Simply log into your account and enter the unique codes you've collected from your Ensure purchases. Each valid code usually contributes a specific number of points to your balance, often around 25 points per code. Your online dashboard provides a clear overview of your accumulated points, making it easy to track your progress towards exciting rewards. Once you've gathered enough points, the fun part begins, redeeming your rewards. Navigate to the rewards catalog on the Ensure website, where you'll find a variety of options. From coupons for future purchases to merchandise, there's something for everyone. Simply select your desired reward, confirm your choice, and then look forward to receiving your item or accessing your digital benefit. It's a straightforward process. To get the most out of the Ensure Rewards program, consider a few helpful tips. Always keep an eye out for special promotions or bonus point offers, which can significantly boost your earnings. Often, purchasing larger Ensure product sizes yields more codes per package, accelerating your point accumulation. Remember to regularly visit the official website for any program updates or exciting new reward additions. Happy earning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.